This question says the probabilities of Olu and Tony passing an examination are 2/5 and 3/4 respectively. The question asks us to find the probability that both of them pass. So 2/5 is the probability that Olu pass, and 3/4 is the probability that Tony will pass an examination. So we are interested in probability that both of them pass. So let me attempt to answer this question. So probability that both of them pass, that is Olu pass and Tony pass. Now what you now do, you now think Olu and Tony to pass, can it happen? If it can both happen, which means the two events are independent, and we now multiply their probabilities. Olu and Tony passing is very much possible. They can all pass, they can all fail. One of them can pass, the other one fail. So happening of this is an independent event, and the independent event, to get their combined probability, what we simply do is to multiply their individual probabilities. So this is going to be probability of Olu passing multiplied by probability of Tony passing. So probability of Olu passing is given as 2/5 multiplied by probability of Tony passing, which is 3/4. So I will now simplify this. Simplifying this, I have 6/20. 2 times 3 is 6. 5 times 4 is 20. So I'll reduce this 6/20 to a much simpler form. There I am going to have 3/10. 2 in 6 is 3. 2 in 20 is 10. So with that, I finish answering this question. Next, you see is the mark distribution for this very question according to the official Neco marking scheme. And the mark distribution is as follows. The first mark is method mark, and that method mark is for multiplying the individual probabilities, Olu and Tony passing. So multiplying that individual probabilities gives this method 1 mark, and getting the probability as 3/4 exactly, you have accuracy 1 mark. Sometimes the marking scheme do allow decimal, so you can divide 3 by 10 to get 0.3. It's still allowed sometimes, the marking scheme. So in total, this question has only 2 marks.